Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Views on English. Today, I am going to tell you about structural approach. What is structural approach? Structural approach is based on the theory of behaviorist. To teach language through this approach, we have to understand the pattern and structure of the language. Each and every language has its own structure. Every language differs structurally. For example, there are structural differences between Hindi and English. In Hindi, the verb is placed at the end of the sentence, but in English, the verb is placed after subject and after the object or adverb according to sentence. The learners have to practice this pattern thoroughly for naturalizing habits. According to Bremenson, structural approach is a scientific study of the fundamental structures of the English language, their analysis and logical arrangement. According to Menon and Patel, a structural approach is based on the belief that in the learning of a foreign language, mastery of structures is more important than acquisition of vocabulary. Now, advantages of structural approach. To master the pattern of the sentence, mastery of grammatical structure is more important than the acquisition of vocabulary. More stress is given on spoken drills. The use of substitution table to master on sentence patterns. A copious exercise to strengthen grammar learning. Learning vocabulary through sentence pattern. Help in understanding word order. Correlates teaching of grammar with composition. These are the advantages of structural approach. Now, the disadvantages of structural approach. We are to know the disadvantages of structural approach. This approach prefers the selection and gradation of the structure which does not solve the problem of teaching English. This approach does not advise the teacher regarding how she should present the structure of the language or teaching material. This approach does not advise the teacher about the teaching material for written exercise. The technique of gradation is good in theory, but it is not applicable in practice work. Structural approach is not suitable for higher classes. Drilling makes the atmosphere of the class dull and boring. Only well-selected sentence pattern can be taught. More teaching aids are needed. और लास्ट डिसएडवांटेज है इसकी it if the structure syllabus is followed strictly, it is difficult to complete the syllabus. If the structure syllabus is followed strictly, it is difficult to complete the syllabus. Now it is the structural approach. In next video we will tell you about situational approach. Thanks for watching my video.